Hi, today I'm going to show you the Scytec DataXchange machine monitoring software and just specifically what we call ODI or Operator Data Interface. So this is the area where operators will be able to enter reason codes for the machine being down. Now, the idea behind this is to put PCs or tablets out on the shop floor. You could put one per machine or one in a cell of machines. And then you can have this display that we're looking at here, which is almost like a dashboard. When they're not entering data, you can see data of what's going on the different machines around the area. So like here on this citizen, we're in an unknown downtime. It tells me I've been in that downtime for 1 minute and 25 seconds, what users clocked in, what part number I might be clocked on to. There's a lot of data that we can display here. And if you're not using some of these features, we could just remove that data from the view. Now, if I was the operator of this machine and I wanted to enter a downtime, all I'd have to do is click on the square and it's going to jump me over into the data entry screen. So here we've got two categories of downtime. We have unplanned downtime and we have planned downtimes. Now you get to put in the reason codes. You can have as many or few as you like, and they can be different for each machine. But let's just pretend that I'm going to put this machine down. It's not running because I don't have any material. So all I'd have to do is highlight that downtime, come down here and hit Start New Status. But it's been in that status already for 2 minutes. So some of our customers actually want to backfill that 2 minutes with the correct downtime. So if you do, based on permissions, you can give the operators this button called Modify Timestamp. They hit that, hit current, and it jumps back in time to when the machine stopped running. They hit Start New Status, and it'll automatically backfill all that time for you. Makes your data a little more accurate. We have an in cycle button. Now, 99% of the time, we're getting cycle time from the machine itself, but in some cases, we've had people want to track manual processes. So here they would just say, hey, I'm starting a new status and I'm ending my status. Work order numbers or part numbers, they could clock on and off of work order numbers and operation numbers. A lot of our customers are using an ERP system to clock on and off of work orders. So if you already have an ERP, you could continue to use the ERP and look at doing integration with our system so that when they clock on to your ERP, it updates our system. Good parts, so part counts could be entered here or again in another system. And a lot of times on your machine, we might be able to collect part counts automatically. So please check with us to see what your machine's capabilities are. Scrap reason, I can put in reason codes and the quantity of scrap. I can go ahead and pick a scrap reason, and I could even type some notes, like maybe just out of tolerance. And then I just hit enter, and I'm going to have recorded that scrap piece. This just went up from 1 piece of scrap to 2 pieces. Custom commands are just that. We have some different custom commands we could put in here, like maybe automatic emails to people. And then user is just what user is clocked on. So that's basically our data entry screen in a nutshell. Thank you so much for your time.